Welcome to Trade Journal Pro Analyzer video. In this video, we will learn how to use the Trade Journal Pro Analyzer easily and how to check the trade log final XLSX file. At first, extract the Trade Journal Pro Analyzer file. Now open the analyzer. If you are Mac user, open the analyzer by right-click, or move the analyzer into Application and then open it by right-click. Now put your email address, license key, and account number of the MT4 or MT5. In the OS, select Windows if you are a Windows user. Select Mac if you are a Mac user. And then select the MT4 or MT5 platform of your account and click Login. After that, it will check your license and other details. After logging in successfully, make a folder on your desktop or your suitable location where you save the XLSX file. So I am making a folder in my desktop and giving it a name of the folder. Now open your MT4 or MT5 and go to the data folder, MT5, Files, Screenshot, your account number folder, and then copy the address location. Then, go to the analyzer and click the Browse option and paste the address in the address bar. And then select the tradelog.csv file and click Open. Then in the Export folder, click the Browse option and select the folder that you created and make sure to tick those two locations so that you don't need to browse those every time. Now click the Generate Excel button and wait for a few seconds. It will generate the trade log final XLSX file. Now let's open the tradelog final.xlsx file. This is your dashboard sheet. Here, it will show an overview of all your trades with different pie charts, bar charts, and more information based on your trading data. Let's go through them one by one. Top 5 most traded symbols. Here it will show which symbol you traded the most. It will show a maximum of 5 symbols. Top 5 winning pairs. Here it will show in which pair you won the most. It will show a maximum of 5 winning pairs. Profit factor. Here it will show your gross profit and gross loss based on all your trades. In the win versus losses, it will show your overall trade win and loss percentages. Consistency score. Here it will show your overall consistency. Below 40%, it will count as bad consistency. 40 to 55% will count as good, 55 to 70% will count as very good, and above 70% will count as best. This consistency score is based on your daily winning and losing trades. Long versus short. Here it will show how many trades you took long and how many trades you took short. In the top 5, gross profit by pair, it will show which pair you profited from the most. It will show a maximum of 5 pairs. In my trades, it shows I profited the most in gold. Risk versus reward ratio. Here it will show your overall risk to reward ratio. It is calculated based on the risk and reward of each trade. In the gross profit by session, it will show in which session you profited the most. In my trades, it isn't showing the Sydney session because I haven't taken any trades during the Sydney session yet. This is the equity curve of your trading account, so you can spot drawdowns and recoveries at a glance. Profit loss by weekly bar chart. In the profit loss by weekly bar chart, it will show your last week's profits and losses. You can check at a glance which days were profitable or losing for you in the last week. Pips gain loss by weekly bar chart. It's the same as the profit loss weekly bar chart, but here it will show pips gained and lost based on your last week's trades. On the right side of the dashboard sheet, it will show a lot of features based on your trades, such as weekly growth, monthly growth, how many green days, how many red days, best symbol by profit loss, worst symbol by profit loss, average trade duration, best time by hour, worst time by hour, best session, worst session, best trading day, worst trading day, and many more. You can check these one by one. Here you can see more information based on your trade, which are maximum win, maximum loss, maximum drawdown, win rate, average profit, average loss, total trades, total wins, total losses, starting balance, total deposit, current balance, and total withdrawals. Let's move to the summary sheet. In the summary sheet, all the information is shown based on your trades for the current year. In monthly pips and profit loss, you can see each month's total pips and profit loss. Below, you can see the current month's weekly pips and profit loss, and you can see the current month's daily pips and profit loss at a glance. In profit factor by month, you can see each month's gross profit, gross loss, and profit factor. A value above 2.0 is good for the profit factor. In profit factor by session, you can see each session's gross profit, gross loss, and profit factor. Profit factor by pair. Here you can see each symbol's gross profit, gross loss, and profit factor based on total trades. In the top 5 win table, it will show your top 5 trades where you profited the most. In the top 5 loss table, it will show your top 5 trades where you lost the most. This table shows the top 5 symbols' total trade wins and losses. In the top 5 pips gain table, it will show your top 5 trades where you gained the most pips. In the top 5 pips loss table, it will show your top 5 trades where you lost the most pips. Now, let's move to the running day sheet. In the running day sheet, all the information is shown based on your running day trade. In the win versus losses pie chart, it will show the running day trade win and loss percentage. In the profit loss by hour bar chart, it will show in a running day which hour you take the trade and how much you profit or loss. In the pips gain loss by hour bar chart, it will show which hour you take the trade and how much pips you gain or loss. In the risk versus reward ratio, it will show based on your running day trade. Here it will show in the running day all the trade in details. In the trade number, it shows how many trades you take on the running day. Position ID, symbol, type, entry and exit time of the trade, entry session and exit session of the trade. In the entry time frame, it shows when you take the trade and which time frame you take the trade. Lot size, entry price, exit price, stop loss, take profit, close reason, commission, swap, profit loss, pips, risk-reward ratio, entry and exit screenshot on each trade. Now, let's move to the running week sheet. In the running week sheet, it's exact similar as running day sheet, but in the running week sheet, it will show all the information based on your running week trade. Now let's move to the running month sheet. In the running month sheet, all the information is shown based on your running month trades. In the profit loss by day bar chart, it will show how much you profited or lost each day. In the pips gain loss by day bar chart, it will show how many pips you gained or lost on each day's trades. In the win versus loss pie chart, it will show the win and loss percentages for your overall trades in the running month. In the risk versus reward ratio, it will show the overall risk to reward ratio for your trades in the running month. In win rate by session, based on your total trades, it will show the percentages by session and which session you win the most. In the equity curve of running month, it shows data based on your running month trades. Here it shows some other information based on your running month trades. Here it will show all your trades for the running month. You can check those trades in detail. Now let's move to running year sheet. In the running year sheet, it's exactly similar to the running month sheet, but it will show data based on your running year trades. In the top 5 most traded symbols, it will show which symbols you traded the most. Here you can see all your trades for the running year in detail. Let's move to the each pair sheet. In the each pair sheet, it's exactly like the other sheets we discussed earlier, but here it shows all the information based on each symbol. Also, all the information is shown based on running year trades. So you can see it's showing my gold trades in detail. That means you can check your specific symbol in detail. You see I'm switching to another symbol, where it shows each symbol in detail. Let's move to the gold sheet again and switch to the right side of each symbol sheet. Here you can see for gold, total trades, wins, losses, win percentage, loss percentage, average profit, average loss, average risk-reward ratio, and expectancy. In this table, it will show for each month how many pips you gained or lost, and how much profit or loss you made in gold. Below that, it will show the running month's weekly pips and profit loss based on gold trades. Here it shows daily pips and profit loss on gold trades. In the session table, it shows in which session how many trades you took on gold, wins and losses with percentages, and profit loss. Buy versus sell win rate pie chart. It will show how many trades you won from your buy trades and how many trades you won from your sell trades. It will show the percentages of buy-sell win rate. In the win rate by hour heat map, it shows on which day and which hour you took trades on gold and won the trades. 100 means, for example, if you traded 5 times at that day and time, you won all 5 trades. In the net profit loss by hour heat map, it shows on which day and which hour you profited or lost based on gold trades. Win rate by day entry time frame. It shows on which day and which time frame of the gold chart you traded and the win rate. Let's move to the time analysis sheet. In the time analysis sheet, it will show all the information based on your running year trades. In the time analysis, latest running year table, it will show for the running year how many trades you took in each hour, how many wins and losses, the win and loss percentages, and profit and loss. In this table, it will show which time frame you used to take the trades, how many trades you took on that time frame, the win-loss, win and loss percentages, net profit, and profit factor. NAN means that when you took those trades, the Trade Journal Pro EA wasn't attached to your chart at that time, so it didn't capture your entry time frame when you take the trade. In the win rate by hour bar chart, it will show in which hour you took the trades and the hourly win rate based on your trades. Profit loss by hour. In this bar chart, it will show in which hour you took the trades and how much you profited or lost. In the profit loss by weekly bar chart, it will show on which day you took the trades and how much profit or loss you had, so you can understand which day you won or lost the most. Win rate by session. In this bar chart, it will show in which session you won the most based on your total trades of the running year. In the win rate by 7 days bar chart, it will show on which day you won the most. In the win rate by day hour, net profit loss by hour, and win rate by day hour heat map charts, it's the same as the each symbol sheet we discussed earlier, but here it is based on all trades and all symbols. Let's move to the time analysis, last 50 sheet. It's exactly the same as the time analysis sheet we already discussed, but in this sheet, it will show your last 50 trades time analysis. Let's move to the Edge calendar sheet. In this sheet, you can see which month and which day how much you profit or loss, but it will show the latest running year trade profit and loss, so you can check which month or which day you profit or loss at a glance. Let's move to the weekly sheet. In this weekly sheet, it will show all the week's information. It shows total trade you take on each week, pips gain, pips loss, total pips, net profit loss, average profit loss, average loss, gross profit, gross loss, average risk-reward ratio, profit factor, maximum win, maximum loss, and maximum drawdown based. In the monthly and yearly sheet, also exactly the same as the weekly sheet, but in the monthly sheet, it will show based on each month's trade. And in the yearly sheet, it will show based on each year trade. Let's move to the next sheet, which is calculators. In this sheet, you can easily calculate the lot size and pips, calculator based on each symbol. This is very helpful. You don't need to switch to any other website to calculate the lot size and pips. Let's move to the compounding sheet. In this sheet, you can easily calculate the compounding. Put any amount in the starting balance and it will automatically calculate. In the cash flow sheet, you can easily check the starting balance, total deposit, total withdrawal, and current balance. You can check those at a glance. In the final and last sheet, trade filter sheet. In this sheet, you will find all your trades. You can filter the trade like if you want. It will show only your win trades. You can filter it here. You can filter the session and others. Let's move to the menu sheet. It's a very helpful sheet if you want to move any other sheet instantly. You can get all the sheets here and just click the sheet you want to switch, and you can switch there. So I hope this video will help you a lot. I describe everything one by one so that you can understand it easily. Now focus on trade, not journaling, because Trade Journal Pro will do everything for you. Stay with FX Toolkit because in the future we will have more EA and indicators which help in your trading. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.